Flapping. Use the chest to regulate the lungs.
So I'll walk you through the repetitions here. There's 4 movements, and then you balance on the front leg. Orient yourself forward. Here's the balancing when it also signals the end and the alternating of the next movement. So now we're going into right leg, right arm forward, left arm forward, that's 2, right arm 3, arms together forward and arms together back. Now you balance on the front leg as you lift the back leg. Now we'll go to the next repetition. Left leg, left arm 1, forward, right arm 2, forward, left arm 3 and 4, both hands forward, both hands back. Balance and hold as long as you can. Alternate again. Right leg, 1, 2, 3. Try to get a sense of the spine and chest opening and closing. Hold the balance again. We'll repeat, starting with the left leg forward, left arm forward, switch, alternating 1, 2. You can see my back, you can see my chest here. See the spine opens, closes. Try to be parallel to the ground. Right leg 1, right arm 1, left arm 2. Notice the fingers, notice how the movement reaches all the way to the fingers. Both arms forward and back. And there you go.
Bird gazing. Large intestine balances the lungs.
And Nona is going to demonstrate this for us. You can see in this movement how the lungs are regulated with this chest movement. Different from the previous movement. Now we're opening and closing what we call the chest bow, which is guided by the arms. And this opening and closing of the chest is going to regulate the lungs. And you can see we're stepping forward into a cross-leg stance, and we're twisted on that stance. You can stand as high or you can stand as low as you desire, and as your legs communicate to you. So here we're stepping forward with the left leg, left arm comes forward, and there's a little bit of a twist to the left side as well. You can see that Nona is actually using the spine and chest bow here, and even her neck is engaged as well. All of this is opening and closing the lungs. We're switching again. Right leg, right arm forward. There's more of a twist you can see to the right side. Again, 1, 2, and 3. Arms drop. Step forward with the left leg, left arm comes forward, and twist to the left side. 1. Now you can see here 2 how much the back is engaged to pull the chest bow back and open. Switch again, step forward with the right leg, right arm comes forward, twisting to the right side. 1, 2, and 3. So that's the follow along for bird gazing.